I wanted to show you how to create a palindrome detector in Python. So let's get started. So first, what you want to do is create a new variable called user_input. Not input equals input. Please enter a word to check if it is a palindrome, and add a space. You can also add a colon space. And then what you can do is create a new variable. Call it backwards word, and set it equal to nothing. And then we can just now what you can do is create another variable, user input length, and set it equal to len of user input. And index equals user input length minus 1. While the index is greater than or equal to 0, while index is greater than or equal to 0, we can just do user input, backwards word plus equals the user input of index. And then you can just do index minus equals 1. And then now what you can do is run this. If I type in a word that is a palindrome, for example, mom. Oopsies, sorry, we are not quite done yet. If the user input is equal to the backwards word, then we can print user input is a palindrome. Else print user input is not a palindrome. Now, if I type in a palindrome word, for example, mom is a palindrome. But if I rerun that, if I do something that's not palindrome, for example, my name, it says my name is not a palindrome. So that is it for this tutorial. Hope you like it. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon on the top right corner. Bye!